Antonio, what's going on? What's going on?
Let us show you this blizzard. It's happening right now. It's one of the worst snowstorms we had in the last 3 years here in Denver.
No manches.
Ven, Mimi, ven. Mira,
Wow.
mira, Mimi, look at that. That's
Oh
beautiful,
my
right?
gosh.
Wow.